the weight of each of your pet into a data set. Or you might measure the height of each member of your family and enlist them in a data set. Those data sets are quite small and easy to understand, but you might experience much bigger data set than that.
Before we go deeper, let me introduce myself. I'm Adam.
And I'm Aida. Welcome to the Mastermind. In this video, we will talk about the topic mean, median, and mode.
As we can see in real time, a big data set might contain the cost of every item in a store, the brightness of all the stars in our galaxy, or you might want to know the average score of your classmate, or maybe the entire school. That was really a big data set, right, Aida?
That's true. So this is where we need the mean, median, and mode to help us make it easier. I will bet you have heard of the word average, right? If so, then I've got good news for you. Mean means average. These two words carry the same meaning. Mean is as follows. It is equal to the summation of all data values divided by the total number of data values. As for the median, it refers to the data value that is positioned in the middle of an ordered data set. While the mode of a data set refers to the data value that is most frequently observed.
For your better understanding, let's take a look at this example below. Let's say we have the data set for 5 students with different weight, and you want to know the mean, median, and mode for this data set. Student A 45 kg, student B 60 kg, student C 75 kg, student D 45 kg, and lastly, student E 58 kg. This data set shows the different value of each of the students, right? So, what we need to do is
we can get the mean value by adding all the data values from student A until E and divided them by the total numbers of the data value, which is 5, so that we can get the answer. That was for the mean.
That's right. For the median, mostly the student always forgets to do this. First thing, we will have to arrange the ages of ascending order, so we write it as middle value 45, 45, 58, 60, and 75 kg. It has 5 values, and the one in the middle will be the median age. It will be 58 kg, as it falls exactly in the middle. 2 values on its right and 2 on its left.
Now for the mode, the data set refers to the data value that is most frequently observed. Notice how the number 45 appears 2 times in this data set. This means that the mode of this data set is equal to 45. Simple, right?
Yes, so I think you guys already get the idea about this topic.
Now, let's go ask people what they know about mean, median, and mode.
So, we are here right now to start the interview session with the students on what they understand about mean, median, and mode. Let's go to see them.
Yes, I think it is important because we need mean, median, and mode to calculate the data set, for example, the student's score in the class.
From what I had learned, it is equal to the summation of all data values divided by the equal number of data values. Median value refers to the data value that is positioned in the middle of an ordered data set.
The mode of a data set refers to the data value that is appear more than one. That's what the mode value is.
I think it is an easy topic to understand in the statistic.
So, I hope this video was useful and you have learned a lot from this.
Make sure to see our next video. Thank you for watching.